All right, we are now doing the overview of Mathematics Paper 2 2025 GCE. If you haven't watched the first overview, of which I was actually showing the overview of Paper 1, kindly check my previous video. You are going to find that paper. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'm telling you, on this channel, we learn all the compound subjects. Do well by subscribing. Click on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you get to know. Let me go through this paper as soon as possible so as you can get the overview of this paper. Why am I doing so? It is very important to note how the GCE actually wrote their exams, the kind of questions the examiners prepared for them, because you actually have that prediction of your paper. Okay, let's get started. We are having our first question here. As you can see, we are told to simplify, not so. This is the first question. The second question, under question A, it's GP. As you can know, as you may tell, in paper 1 we have AP, in paper 2 we have what? GP. This is the second question where we're told to express this function as a single fraction. I hope you're able to see. Okay, let me just zoom the question so that you may be able to see clearly. Okay, I'll be zooming the questions so that you may be, in case you are writing down and then you want to go through. Okay, we've been told to find the equation of the tangent to the curve x to the power 3 minus 5x to the power 2 plus 8x minus 1 at x equals to 1. Wow. Question 3, we have in matrices. As you can see, you're told to find the determinant and then the inverse of the second question. Okay, we are having the question under what? Under probability. As you may see, this question is very simple, and I'm sure that now you are able to do that. Question 4, we are having this question, this equation, where we are told to solve this question and give it to actually 2 decimal places. All right, we are having the sets as always. As a mandate in paper 2, you just have to do sets. Okay, I'm sure that now you are able to do this. Please, if these questions actually are difficult to you, if you are unable to solve them, kindly join the tuitions at a lower price. I know that we are living in the world of financial crisis. Text me on WhatsApp. I'm going to help you. 0976 97 58 98. I've been advertising this over and over. I don't want you to come when it is too late. Join now. Get the materials for free after you've joined. Text me on that number. You'll be able to join. Okay, we're having construction. As you can see, this question actually always is there in mathematics paper 2. Okay, we're having, I hope you can see the vectors. Yeah, we're having vectors here, and then we're having computer. This question is common, actually is always not common, but always there in mathematics paper 2. This actually marks the end of section A. And section B, as you can see, we have in statistics. Been taught to calculate standard deviation. These are common questions. And then we've been taught to plot. Not so. Yeah, the issue of graphs. Well, we've been provided with the graph paper there. We have in this question under trigonometry, and of which I'm very much sure that you are now able to solve these questions. As our question 8, here we're supposed to choose 4 questions. Okay. So that one is question 8, of course. Yeah, question 8B, question 8C. As you may see, these are simple questions. Question 9, we've been given this question under transformation. Okay, I'm giving you the overview of this paper so that you may be able to see the way they brought this paper. All right, I don't want to make the video long. That's why I'm actually I'm moving as fast as possible. Okay, we're having this question, though it is not that much clear, but it's also a simple question, just as you can see. And then under that one, we've been given that question to integrate that. And then we're having the question under the geometry. I'm sure you're able to see and you're able to take note. Wow. Then we're having question 11B, where we are told to solve to calculate the the volume of the first term. As you can see, we are having question 12, okay, where we are having linear programming. Okay, so in the next video, we'll be doing science paper 1. Make sure you subscribe so that you keep on following me. And make sure you join the tuitions. Please, please, please join the tuitions. I do not want you to regret. If you can't join the tuitions, get the pamphlets. I know the best pamphlets which can help you. 0976 0976 okay, 0976 97 58 98. That's my WhatsApp number. Text me on WhatsApp and then we are going to talk. Thank you.